Hello students, Saira. Welcome to our online session. So today I am going to take active English. Okay, so all of you ready? Very good. Now let's do little revision. Ready all of you? Good. What is noun? Names of person, animals, things, places, feelings are known as nouns. Okay, as you can see the picture over down. Yes, you can see the picture. Picture of girl, animal, monkey, think, bag, place, park and smiley. Yes, happiness, it comes under feeling. Yes, students? Very good. Now, one example. He is a student. Student, you can see. Yes, student. What is this student? What is this? Just think. It's noun. Yes, he is a student. It's noun. Okay. I will show you one more example. He is a brilliant student. Okay. Let's see why red color brilliant and student is green color. Let's see. Okay, student, you know it's a noun. What this brilliant means? Brilliant describes the noun. Okay, brilliant describes about the student. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's an adjective. So he is brilliant student. So brilliant is an adjective describing word. You call it as adjective also. So adjective and student noun. So it describes the noun. Now adjectives. Adjectives are not only used to describe nouns but also used to compare naming words. Naming words is also called it as noun. Yes. So here he is a brilliant student. Student noun. Brilliant adjective. Okay. So understood all of you? Again I am repeating. Adjectives are not only used to describe nouns but also used to compare naming words. Okay. Now here adjectives have three forms. Positive, comparative, superlative. Okay, adjective has three forms. Remember, keep it in your mind. Very important. Positive, comparative, superlative. Okay, I will show you some examples. Okay, here it comes. You can see a boy. One boy alone he is standing. His name is John. His name is John. John is a smart boy. Smart is an adjective. Yes, John is a smart boy. So this smart is alone. Okay. Now let's see next. Oh, here I can see two boys. One is John and Paul. Okay. John is smarter than Paul. Oh, that means here there is comparison. Yes, students. John is smarter than Paul. This means, see, remember that chart? Yes, adjective has three forms. First is positive, comparative, superlative. So positive means alone. Okay. As you saw, John is smart boy. Is a smart boy. John is a smart boy. Yes, it comes under positive. Now here comparative. Why? Because there are two people, two students, two children. Okay, two children are standing over here. So it's compared with Paul. John is compared with Paul. Okay. See, smarter. What is a smarter? Yes, it's also an adjective. Now you understood why did I highlight that smarter in red color? Smarter is also an adjective for John, and it is comparing John with Paul. It is comparing John with Paul. Okay, students? Would you like to see one more example? Let's see. Here, John is the smartest boy in the class. Okay, John is the smartest boy in the class. Smartest. John is alone? No, he is not alone. There are some students you can see over here. Yes? Smartest. Smartest. Oh, it's also an adjective for John, and it is comparing John to all students of the class. Okay, John is not alone. Yes, there are many students you can see. So, if many students, that means it comes under superlative. Understood? Adjective is smartest. Smartest is also an adjective for John, and it is comparing John to all students of the class. Okay? I hope all of you understood. Very good. Now, next. Oh, what is this? It's a tree. All trees are same. Is they same? No. The size is different. Yes, their size is different. First one is tall. Second one is taller. And third one is tallest. Okay, students. So first one will put in positive adjective. Yes, positive form. Second one, it comes under comparative. Third one comes under superlative. Yes, this third one is not alone. See, comparing with other two. Okay. So here tall is positive, comparative taller, superlative tallest. Okay, students. Now I will show some more examples. Oh, strong, stronger, strongest. Strong comes under positive form. Okay. Then stronger, comparative. Strongest, superlative. Okay. Now next. Oh, here fast, faster, fastest. Fast, faster, fastest. So fast comes under positive. Yes, adjective form positive. Faster, comparative, fastest, superlative. Okay, students, I hope all of you understood. Very good. Now next is, oh, it's very important. Take one pencil, eraser and your practice book or rough book. You can note down this chart. Okay, this table is very useful to you all. Okay, here you have to make 1, 2, 3. 3 columns. Okay, 3 columns you have to make. First column you will write, you are going to write positive. Okay, heading you are going to give positive. And second, comparative. Third, superlative. Okay. So here there are, I put it some words. Just go through it and you have to remember these words. Okay, just you will go through it. If I will say, that means you are just reading and then you will forget. No, you have to remember this. Okay, students, it's very important. Note down in your book, in your rough book or any book, whatever book you have for practicing. Okay, students, remember this. It's very important. Okay. So here, thin. First word is thin, positive, comparative, thinner, superlative, thinnest. Okay. Then fat. Fat, fatter. Fatter. Here see up also thin, thinner. Thinner. Double N. 2 times N, ER, thinner. Thinnest, THINNEST, thinnest. Okay, here fat. Fat is positive, comparative, fatter. FATTER, fatter, comparative, and superlative, fattest. FATTEST. Okay students, remember this word, very important. Next is tall. Tall, positive, comparative, taller. TALLER, taller. Superlative, tallest. Superlative, tallest. Short. Next is short. Short, positive, comparative, shorter. Superlative, shortest. Comparative, shorter. Superlative, shortest. Okay. Small. Small, smaller, smallest. SMALL, small, positive, comparative, SMALLER, smaller. Superlative, smallest. SMALLEST, smallest. Okay. Strong, positive, strong, stronger, strongest. STRONGER, stronger, strongest. STRONGEST, strongest, superlative. Okay students. Weak, weaker, weakest. Weak, weaker, weakest. Weaker spelling VEAKER, comparative. Superlative, weakest. WEAKEST, weakest. Positive. Next one is old. Old, older, oldest. Old, older, oldest. Older spelling OLDER, older, oldest. OLDEST, oldest. Okay, remember students, very important. Okay. Young, next one is young, younger, youngest. Young, younger, youngest. Younger spelling YOUNGER, younger. YOUNGER, younger. Youngest, YOUNGEST, youngest. YOUNGEST, youngest. Okay students. So today's topic is chapter 15. Topic is comparison of adjective. So this is there in your active English book. Okay, you have to take out chapter number 15, comparison of adjective. Comparison of adjective. So active English, which chapter you are doing? Comparison of adjective, chapter number 15. Chapter number 15. Okay students, remember, that's why I showed you everything. Adjective have 3 forms: positive, comparative, superlative. So from that we are going to do comparison, comparative, comparison of adjective. Okay, ready all of you with your book, active English book? Yes, very good. You have to take out chapter number 15, comparison of adjective. Okay, there are some questions in your book. It's in filling the blanks form. So your question is, fill in the words. See, you can see the boxes over here. Yes, it's a help box. They have given some words. From this you have to take out word and you have to form a comparative form. Okay, comparison. Okay students, ready? So first one is, a man is older than a boy. A man is older than a boy. Older spelling OLDER, older. Than, THAN, than. Okay, do not forget to write than. Okay, older than a boy. Again I am repeating this question. A man is older than a boy. A man is older than a boy. O-L-D-E-R, older than, T-H-A-N, than a boy. Okay students, understood? A man is older than a boy. Shall I go to the next question? I hope you have done this. Written all of you over. Okay, I am going to the next question. Number 2. Oh, a tree is dash a flower. A tree is dash a flower. What will be the answer? Just think, what will be the answer? Yes, here it comes. A tree is taller than a flower. A tree is taller than a flower. T-A-L-L-E-R, taller than, T-H-A-N, than. Okay, you have to write this. Do not make mistake. Okay students, very good. You all are good students. You have to listen to your parents. You have to complete your book. Anytime I am going to check. It might be a surprise checking. Okay, I will check. I will call to your parents and I am going to check your book. You have to write. Okay. Now, next question. Shall I go to the next question? Shall I go? I hope you all of you completed. Okay, fine. Next question. Number 3. A cat is dash a dog. Oh, a cat is smaller than a dog. A cat is smaller than a dog. Smaller spelling S-M-A-L-L-E-R. Smaller than, T-H-A-N, than. A cat is smaller than a dog. Okay? Write fast. Come on. Again I am repeating this question. A cat is smaller than a dog. Smaller, S-M-A-L-L-E-R. Smaller than, T-H-A-N, than. Okay. So I am going to the next question. I hope you all of you completed. Next question. A girl. A girl is dash a woman. A girl is dash a woman. What will be the answer? Just think. Here is the answer. A girl is younger than a woman. A girl is younger. Y-O-U-N-G-E-R. Younger than, T-H-A-N, than. Okay. A girl is younger than a woman. Wrote all of you over. Y-O-U-N-G-E-R, younger than, T-H-A-N, than. Okay. Now I am going to the next question. Oh, 5th question. A pencil is dash a ruler. A pencil is dash a ruler. Pencil is shorter. Pencil is shorter than a ruler. S-H-O-R-T-E-R, shorter. S-H-O-R-T-E-R, shorter. Okay. Do not make mistakes students. Again and again I am repeating. S-H-O-R-T-E-R, shorter than, T-H-A-N, than, T-H-A-N, than. A pencil is shorter than a ruler. Over. I am going to next question. An aeroplane is dash a car. An aeroplane is dash a car. Oh, my car is coming so slow. Yes. So what will be the answer? Ready? Here it comes. You got, all of you got an idea. Very good. Yes, you got the hint when I said slow. An aeroplane is faster than a car. An aeroplane is faster than a car. You know where the aeroplane flies? In the sky? Yes. And car moves on the road. This goes very slow. But aeroplane very fast. Yes. So an aeroplane is faster. F-A-S-T-E-R, faster. F-A-S-T-E-R, faster. Faster than a car. An aeroplane is faster than a car. Okay, F-A-S-T-E-R, faster than. T-H-A-N, than. Okay. Shall I go to the next question? Ready? Okay. Next question, number 7. A bicycle is dash a car. A bicycle is dash a car. Oh, here also bicycle is very slow, but the aeroplane is very fast. Yes, a bicycle is slower than a car. Slower. S-L-O-W-E-R. Slower. S-L-O-W-E-R. Slower than a car. Okay. Now next one. Next question. A man is dash a boy. A man is dash a boy. What will be the answer? Oh, so dangerous man. Oh, answer is here. A man is stronger than a boy. A man is stronger than a boy. S-T-R-O-N-G-E-R. Stronger than. T-H-A-N. Than. Stronger than a boy. A man is stronger than a boy. A man is stronger than a boy. Okay. Now, next question. A horse is dash a dog. A horse is dash a dog. What will be the answer? A horse is bigger than a dog. B-I-G-G-E-R. Bigger. B-I-G-G-E-R. Bigger. Okay, students? A horse is bigger than a dog. A horse is bigger than a dog. B-I-G-G-E-R. Bigger. B-I-G-G-E-R. Bigger than a dog. Okay. Now here, a newspaper is dash a book. A newspaper is dash a book. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? Just think. I am also thinking. Here it comes. A newspaper is thinner. T-H-I-N-N-E-R. Thinner. Remember thinner? Yes, students. On that chart table, you remember positive, comparative, superlative I showed. Yes, students, you have to remember those words. Okay. A newspaper is thinner than a book. Thinner spelling T-H-I-N-N-E-R. Thinner. T-H-I-N-N-E-R. Thinner than. Sorry. Thinner than a book. Okay. Now, next question. Okay. Students, in your active English book, chapter number 15 we are doing. In that, 11th question. Question number 11. There's a slight changes you have to do in your book. Okay, students, in your book you have to, there is some correction you have to do. Okay. Here there is one question. This is the question. But in this question there are slight changes. Okay. A bird is dash instead of a dog. You will cut that dog. In your book, in that question, you have to do slight changes. You have to cut that dog with a pencil. Instead of that, a dog, you will write an ant. An ant. You have to copy here. Okay. Copy from here this question. This half part. See. A bird is dash. A dog, it is there in your book. But you have to cut that a dog. Instead of that dog, you will write an ant. An ant. Okay, students? So, a bird is dash an ant. So, you will read this way. A bird is dash an ant. What will be the answer? You have made the changes in your question. Let's see the answer. Okay? Yes, here is the answer. A bird is fatter than an ant. A bird is fatter than an ant. Okay, students? Fatter. F-A-T-T-E-R. Fatter than an ant. A bird is fatter than an ant. F-A-T-T-E-R. Fatter than an ant. Okay? Shall I go to the next one? Here is the next one. 12th one is, a straw is dash a stick. A straw is dash a stick. Yes. What will be your answer? A straw is dash a stick. Just think, students. Let's see the answer. Okay. Here it comes. A straw is weaker than a stick. A straw is weaker than a stick. W-E-A-K-E-R. Weaker. Weaker than a stick. A straw is weaker than a stick. Okay, students? A straw is weaker. W-E-A-K-E-R. Weaker. W-E-A-K-E-R. Weaker. W-E-A-K-E-R. Weaker than. T-H-A-N. Than. T-H-A-N. Than. Okay, always remember to write than whenever you are doing the comparison of adjective. Okay, students? Remember, I explained you. I hope all of you understood. Okay, student, do study well. Okay, you have to complete your book. Okay, active English book. Anytime I am going to check. It might be a surprise checking. Okay, I will tell your mama to show your book. Okay, I will call to your parents and I am going to ask. Okay, you have to do your studies well. Huh? Good? Good students? You all are good students? Okay. So remember what I taught you. Okay, with the help of this video, you can complete your chapter number 15 of Active English. What is our chapter name? Comparison of adjective. Comparison of adjective. Okay. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.